welcome back. Steve AZ 711 here. Well, today I'm going to try and repair this scratch here in my wife's car. I'll be using some clear coat in a can, and I'll clean it first with maybe a little rubbing alcohol. Now, this scratch is not very deep, and you would think you just go get some touch-up paint. But it's the clear coat that's scratched. It's not down to the paint. So what you want to do, I would think, is to repair the clear coat with clear coat. We'll see. I'm going to spray some of this clear coat in its cap, make a little puddle in there, and then I have a small paintbrush and I will go over the scratch with it. Okay, that looks like that came out pretty well. I can't even see where it was. So this is Steve AZ 711 saying thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and more to come.